Good afternoon everyone, welcome back to our channel, the Asian Mechanic Guy. And for today we got this 2012 Dodge Caravan. So complain of this car, it has grinding sounds when braking. So the customer already bought a front brake pad. So for today we are going to replace the brake pad. So let's do it. Alright, first thing first, remove the tire. We're using number 21 millimeter socket. Nope, I think it's 19. Should be 19. Or it's better if you are using 3/4. That 19, I think this is 19. Look at, it's really tight, so it's better to use 3/4 socket. And as you can see, holy cow, I don't know if we can still use the rotor. It's already metal to metal. I'm gonna talk to the customer and let him know if you want to replace this rotor. Alright, so I did call the customer and we got the rotor. He agreed with me, so he bought a brand new rotor from Lordco. So let's put it on. First, let's remove the caliper. Let's use 14. Is this 14? No, 13 millimeter socket. Nice. There you go. Make sure to hang it. Go. Nice. Let's check the pad. Look at this. Ooh, this book. What? Really worn. Now let's move this bracket. Alright, for the caliper bracket, we're using 21 millimeter socket. It's 21. There we go. Now let's remove it. Nice. For the upper one, we'll be using this swivel, so we have enough room. So it's really good if you have your power tools. It makes your job faster, easier. Nice. So that's the bracket. Now let's remove the rotor. There you go. Look at that. It's already scorn. Look on the other side, still good. Only in this side, but it's too late. Let's put the new one. But first, let's clean this up. Alright, let's put the new one. Let's remove the oil. Go. Nice. Now, let's put back the bracket. Alright, now let's torque it at least 100 foot-pounds. There you go, there you go. Nice. Now let's remove all the hardware. See this? And put the new one. Let's clean it. Same thing with this sliding pin. And let's put the new fresh lubricant. There you go. Same thing on the top. Wipe it and put a new fresh brake lubricant. There you go. So I'm using this brake lubricant ACS. Go. Now let's put the hardware. Let's make sure to go. Nice. This is the hardware. So these are all the same, so no top, no down or left or right. They are all the same. There you go. Just make sure it's snug. Alright, last one. There you go. Right. New pad, Wagner. See, it's Wagner. So just wanna compare it. Oh, this one is Wagner too. So they're the same, okay. So this mostly the one with this wear indicator metal, it's always most of the time it goes at the back. So but before that, you need to put some brake lubricant over here and here. There you go. Let's put it on. I'll double check. This. Okay. Nice. All right. Then this one, same thing. Lubricant. Compare it to the old one. Same. Put like that. Nice. All right. Then double check your work. If it fits well, you're good to go. Yep. And then for the caliper, let's compress it. This one, the head, using this, compress it. There you go. Like that. If you could see it, yep. And let's just compress the brake piston. Make sure to open the hood and open the brake fluid reservoir. I'll show it to you, hold on. So that's your brake fluid reservoir, so just open it. Now let's continue. Alright, that should be enough. Now just clean a little bit. Now put some lubricant in here, over here, and over here. That's it. Now let's put it on. Alright, perfect. It's perfect fit. Now this is at least 22 foot-pounds. 22 foot-pounds of tightness or torque. In the meantime, using this, just tighten it. There we go. Oops. Then, so for this one, I'm going just to snug it. Make sure it's snug and tight, and I guarantee you this is more than 22 foot-pounds. There you go. Then double check your work. Nice, it moves, it slide. That's nice. Alright, there's a play. Good. Alright, that's it. Just put back the tire and you're done. So there you go. That's how you replace a worn brake pad and rotor for a 2012 Dodge Caravan. So if you had any question, any suggestion, please comment down below, and consider like and subscribe my channel too. That's all for today, and see you on my next video. Bye bye.